13 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So 3 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 1, bring down this 3. 3 goes into 13 how many times? Look, 5 times 15 which is greater, so 4 times. Write 4. 4 times 3, 12. Subtract, you are getting 1. So 0, 4 means 4, remainder 1. So our answer is 4, remainder 1. You can place here a decimal, then add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. So before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 9. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down another 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down another 0. Again 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Okay, so now since we have gotten 3 places after decimal, we can place here 3 dot. So 4.333 dot 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 is our answer. We can place here bar over 3 to mean that this 3 is repeating.